Yo, what's up, you guys? I'm back with another mod, and today we're putting high flow fuel banjo bolts. So today I'm gonna be only doing just the rear run, one behind here, and one behind my floor downpipe. So what I did, I already loosened up the V-band clamp and broke it loose so I could be able to swivel the downpipe at the wing, and I already got the ratchet on down here. So I'm gonna go underneath. So now I'm underneath the truck. This is the driver's side head. You need a 1/4-inch ratchet. I don't have a 1/4-inch right now on me. I only have my regular 3/8 drive and with a 1/4-inch step down. So being that you see the banjo, you get it on, crack it loose, drain your fuel bowl as well. Let's crack this loose real quick. There we go. Nothing crazy. Let's see if we can get it by hand. I'll be right back. Let me get this off by hand. I'll be right back. Alright, so now we got it out. Now we got it out. Time to get the new bolt up in there. Just a second. Hey. Then, that's wonderful. Alright, we got it on. Screwing it on hand tight. Then I'm gonna get my ratchet up there and just snug it on. You don't want to overkill these because these do have a O-ring. Hand tight, starting to feel the O-ring pressure, so let's get our ratchet and socket. Just give me a second. There it goes. Take my 1/4-inch step down off, put this in the arm position. Not even the ugga dugga, guys. Just want to get a nice little snug. There you go. That's one. Time for the other one on this side. Alright, just right there. So you're gonna repeat the process, get your socket on there, crack it loose, take out that bolt, then put your new banjo in. And boom. I'm gonna order 2 more so I can do the front too. Just for now, I'm gonna do these 2. Just a second. Need 2 hands. All right, you guys. So, being that I don't have a 1/4-inch ratchet, I had to remove my downpipe some so I can get, clear. I'm gonna go back underneath the truck and get to it. So, it's a good thing I checked I'm doing this because when I went ahead to check this one, there's a ratchet on there. Probably can't see, but when I went ahead to check this one, the passenger side, it was already loose. So, wow. So I got it on, the last one back there on the passenger side. And like I said, it's a good thing I'm doing this because the passenger side banjo bolt was already loose, so I was most likely leaking diesel out of there. Time for the hard part to get my downpipe back on. Alright, so we got everything buttoned up, downpipe back on, truck is running, nice and smooth. Now, my little review on it from just doing those 2 bolts. Now, just to tell you like a little review of like, you know, how like just from those 2 bolts that I did. Now, I did the 2 back bolts on the passenger. I did one on the passenger head in the back and one on the driver's side in the back. Now, from just those 2 bolts and me just, you know, blipping the gas pedal, I feel that it's a bit more responsive. It revs up quicker. Let's see. I am going to order the next 2 so I could do the ones in front. So that's going to be one in behind the alternator bracket and one behind the AC compressor. So once I get those 2, I will be adding those 2. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little pool video in just a second.